Introduction to Algebra. Algebra is a big word to describe a way we solve mathematical problems. Scientists and mathematicians have solved so many important things by using algebra. Algebra was used to calculate how far the moon is from Earth, how long is 1 year exactly, as the Earth orbits around the sun, how hot is it really on the sun, or how cold is it on some planets. As you can see from these examples, it is not possible for man to measure it. This is where algebra helps. This knowledge made it possible for man to land on the moon in 1969. Algebra helps in the representation of problems by using alphabetical letters as substitutes in a mathematical equation. Letters such as A, B, X, Y, Z. The alphabetical letter represents variables. This means it is still an unknown number in the mathematical equation. Example 2x plus 3 equals. This is called an algebraic expression. To solve a problem, the unknown factor is usually written down by using a letter. Example: there are 29 children in the class. Each child sells Y tickets, unknown. How many tickets can we sell? Which of the following equations will accurately describe this variable? A. 29 plus y. B. 29xy, or 29y. C. 29y. This algebraic expression can help the teachers and children plan and forecast the potential ticket sales.